Hi. I'd like to begin this presentation about the 9 times table and its patterns with a statement from the great mathematician, philosopher Bertrand Russell. He said, "Mathematics, rightly viewed, possesses not only truth, but supreme beauty." We're going to be looking at the patterns in the 9 times table here and discover some of the beauty in this particular multiplication table. Here is the 9 times table. I've made one modification. Instead of 9, I've written this as 09 for the reason that will be evident later. It still has the value of 9. 9 times 1 is still 9. That has not changed the value of the product. So what I'll do is to step back for a couple of seconds and suggest that you look at the 9 times table. Can you find any pattern that's interesting about this table? Alright, let me jump in here. Have you observed that if we start counting from 0, we can go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And also on the reverse side, if you start from the bottom, you can count from 0 all the way up to 9. Any other observation? How about this one? If you add the digits of each product, you get a sum of 9. Zero plus 9 is 9, 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, and so on all the way down. Any other observation? Okay, here's one. If we turn this 09 around, we'll get 90 at the bottom. If we turn 18 around, we'll get 81. 27 turn around becomes 72, 36 turn around becomes 63, and 45 turn around will give us 54. This is really good stuff, don't you think? Any other observation? Okay, here's one more. Note that if 9 multiplies a number, the product begins with a number that is 1 less than the number being multiplied. So 4 will be 1 less than 5 if 9 is multiplying 5. 5 is 1 less than 6 when 9 is multiplying 6. 6 is 1 less than 7, 7 is 1 less than 8, and so on, all the way down. Now, so those are some of the patterns. There may be others, but these are the 4 that I've discovered myself. I was really excited when I saw this the first time. Now, how can this be of use to us? Well, if an elementary school student is in an exam and had to calculate 9 times 7 and just simply forgot timetables, but she remembered this patterning exercise that we explored, and she could use she or he or she could use two of the observations we've made. Remember that observation that if we are multiplying 9 times 7, it begins with a number that's 1 less than 7, so that has to be a 6 here. Is another observation we made, that the sum of the two digits must add up to 9. So what number plus 6 would give us 9? And that's 63, which of course matches our table. Very nice, I think. Well, mathematics, we just talked about the beauty of mathematics. Mathematics describes everything that takes place in our universe. Motion, light, time, heat, you name it. Everything that takes place in our space-time dimensional universe can be described by mathematics, or there's a mathematical description for everything. Now, take our 10 fingers as it relates to 9 times. Here I have my 10 fingers. And let's number these fingers from 1 to 10. This being 1, this being 2, this being 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now let's say we want to calculate 9 times 5. We would turn the 5th finger down, and look at that. We're reading the answer off on both sides of the third on finger. There's 4 over here and 5 fingers over here. We do not read the turn down finger. That's 45. How about 9 times 6? We turn down the 6th finger, finger number 6, and over here we have 5, over here we have 4. So 9 times 6 is 54. How about 9 times 2? Well, there's 1 finger over here and 8 over here. That's 18. Even 9 times 10 will give us 9 fingers over here and 0 fingers on the other side of the turn down finger. Okay. I hope you've enjoyed this as I have enjoyed presenting it. See you next time.